well, very professionally organized, and our umpires are here. The men behind the success of Karnataka Rajata Cup. I request all our commentators, please join us on stage. I request all our commentators, please join us. Mansoor, Shrilesh, and Shiraj. Shirath, Mansoor, and Shrilesh, I request, please. I request all our organizing committee, please join us on stage. I request Karnataka Royal team, please be here. I also request Sujit, please join us to celebrate the ceremony. Karnataka Royal team and our umpire. It's a super support. Without you all, we would have not able to make this a very easy. It was a smooth moment for all the players, all the commentators, complete committee. Thank you. Thanks. Cheers to our umpires.
Check, check.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, those are the organizing committee that you're seeing on the stage who has worked tirelessly for months for the success of this event.
Absolutely, and special thanks, our gratitude to our umpires who really made this very, very easy for all of us. Thank you.
Who's next? The media partners. Camera, yes.
I request our media partners, camera team, please join.
Join us for the memento. Vaibhav ikkade re. The media partners, camera. Definitely for the 4 days, Savi, if you have seen, they have
Scorer Rauf is the man behind the very, very absolute straightforward.
absolutely.
He made it, he nailed it, I would say.
What a man he is. He is a real hero today. What a type of scorer he has done.
And
Everything was in the fingertips, isn't it? The way he was rolling his fingers on the tab.
And he used to give an instruction through all his actions.
Yes.
And we started learning all his actions. That's so
True.
very beautiful. This shows expertise and expertization comes when we see Rauf like a people. A big round of applause,
Absolutely.
ladies and gentlemen.
So KRC was in his fingertips. Well maintained. Rough. The scorer, Rough.
His name is just a Rauf, but he is a very neat and straight.
Yes. That's rough for y'all.
You know, Salam sir, मुझे ना
Huh?
गिरीश,
Girish, bye. Acho.
अभय और गिरीश दोनों आ जाइए.
Haji.
गिरीश तो ऊपर है, आसमान से नीचे आने के लिए मांग रहे. And Abhay, thank you very
Abhay.
much.
Abhay ಇರೋದನಕ ನಮಗೆ ಅಭಯವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಡೇ ರೇ ಅಭಯ್
Abhay जल्दी आ जाइए.
ಅತ್ತ ಮಾಜಿ ಸಟಕ್ಲಿ
सलाम सर, इसे देखकर तो मुझे तुलसीदास जी के एक दोहे याद आ रहा है. वो बोलते हैं गोधन गजदन भाजदन सबुरत कान जब आवत ಸಂತಸದನ ಸಬುದನ ಧೂಲ ಸಮಾನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂತ
ಅರೆ ವಾ,
ಸಂತೋಷದ
ವಾ, ವಾ,
ಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನ
ವಾ.
ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಕಣ್ತುಂಬಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಇವತ್ತು.
Fantastic. Fantastic, Savi. So, yes. So, we are completed with the media partners, the umpires, and now the camera. Man.
Girish, thank you very much.
Girish.
Well, of course, before we celebrate winners and runners, there are many such players who made the signature today.
Absolutely.
Many have played very well. We have our best players, best bowlers, best wicket, and many such. The story goes
Absolutely.
on. So, Sujit,
Yeah.
I'm overwhelmed. I really would like to know who are those best people of Karnataka Rajata Cup 2025.
Oh, with that, Josh, we have best fielder, best wicket keeper, best bowler, best batsman, and also man of the series. But before we start, first we have to begin with the man of the match of the final. That was a tremendous final. So, man of the match? Yes.
Yes, of course. We will start with the man of the match of the winning. Who has won the Karnataka Rajata Cup? May I know, Sujit, who is the one special
It's
lucky
none other
person?
than Anand Kumar.
We are witnessing since 2 days. Anand is playing very well. Who is giving Ananda to all of us? All the cricket lovers loves you, Anand. Beautifully, wonderfully played.
Watching him batting is Paramananda.
Absolutely amazing.
So Anand. Ananda. 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 We have to have him here, okay, Anand?
Yes.
So man of the match of the final match played between Hanan Sisi and Royal Qatar. The man of the match is none other than Anand Kumar. Anand Anil Kumar. Nandananda. Nandananda. That's good. Well played.
Such a lovely.
Anand, if you-
Anand, we really wanted you here.
Please come here,
Please,
come here,
Anand.
come here, Anand. It's not over. Yes, come here, yeah, please.
Yes,
Yes.
Anand, we really became your fan. We need your autograph, please. Few words.
Nothing well played, boys.
Very good. This is so sweet. Short and sweet, he said.
Thank you,
Well
Anand.
played.
Well. Very well played. Congratulations again. Man of the match, bang by Anand Kumar. Now next
Absolutely.
over to.
Some problem with my phone. Okay. So next, moving on to best fielder. And the best fielder goes to... Any guesses? All have fielded well, but there is one who remarkably done that. Best fielder goes to Mohammad Faris from Hanan Sese. Mohammad Faris, Hanan Sese. So let me tell, he is getting a t-shirt. He's getting a t-shirt from Ibad Sports and he's getting a cap from MS Sports. So best fielder, Mohammad Faris from Hanan Sisi, getting the t-shirt from Ibad Sports and a cap from MS Sports.
Hanan team, make some noise.
So the best fielder gets the t-shirt from Ibad Sports and a cap from MS Sports plus a trophy and a cap as usual. Yes.
And they have a different badge too.
Badge too. Yes, and a badge too. Yes. Moving up next. What?
Next. Best wicket. मुझे तो wicket बोलते ही MS धोनी याद आ जाता है. So who is going to be our Karnataka Rajata Cup MS Dhoni, the best wicket keeper?
The best wicket keeper of Karnataka Rajata Cup 2025 goes to Wahid from Royal Qatar. Wahid.
वहीद तो वाह वाह करके विकेट कीपिंग कर दिए. वहीद के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. So Junior Wahid is also joining with
Yeah,
us.
Junior Wahid also wants to join. Maybe he will play the Karnataka Rajata Cup of 2035.
It's a Suvarna Rajata Cup 50th celebration.
50th, absolutely. Now, what is Wahid getting? Wahid is getting a trophy and a cap as well as a special badge. Along with that, he is getting a t-shirt from Ibad Sports and a cap from MS Sports.
So they have won.
Ibad. T-shirt from Ibad. I said t-shirt from Ibad and a cap from MS. It was badge, not bad. Yes.
वहीद भाई इधर आ जाइए.
Please, Vahid bhai. नहीं जूनियर साथ में लेके आ जाइए ना.
Well, who's next? Best
Nah.
of the best.
Now this is for the best bowler. Any guesses for best bowler?
If
Best
you ask
bowler?
me, I'll come up with 100 names for sure.
Best bowler for Karnataka Rajat Cup 2025 goes to
No, keeping your finger crossed.
it goes to Anand Anil Kumar from Royal Qatar. Ananda.
Congratulations, Anand, again. Anand is an overall, all-round player, I would say.
Yes, and the best bowler is getting a shoe from Ibad Sports. Is getting a t-shirt from Ibad Sports and a sunglasses from MS Sports, plus a trophy and a cap.
Lovely. Congratulations for the best bowler. It's none other than Mr. Anand Kumar.
With the highest wickets, it's Anand Anil Kumar. Well done, Anand. Yep. Now, Ballebazi bhai, batsman. Who's that? We have
Oh
seen
my
many
God.
batsmen. We have seen a few sixes from, Tony. We have seen few sixes from Anand himself, from Imran, from
Imran.
Ajmal. There were so many. But there is only one with the highest score.
And of course, best as always will be one. Who is
Absolutely.
that best batsman goes to?
Best batsman goes to Koteshwara!
Lovely!
Imran Koteshwar! Imran Koteshwar from Hanan Sisi. Imran is getting a bat from Ibad Sports, sunglasses from MS Sports, and also a t-shirt from Ibad Sports along with a trophy and a badge.
Imran Koteshwar played very well, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations, Imran Koteshwar, for bagging the best batsman, Qatar Rajata, Karnataka Rajata Cup 2025
Absolutely.
in collaboration with Karnataka Qatar Sangha.
In spite of not scoring in the last two matches, semi-finals and finals, he managed to be. Imran sir, we want you to be here, please. Imran sir, please, come here. Please. Yeah, he's
We want Imran Koteshwar to have.
king of river sweep, yes.
Yes, sir. So, especially congratulations. A big round of applause to Imran Koteshwar.
Koteshwara.
ನೀವು ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೋಟ್ಯಾಧಿಪತಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರ ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನ ಗೆದ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಇಮ್ರಾನ್ ಅವರೇ ವಿ ಬಿಕೇಮ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಫ್ಯೂ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್
ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಅಸ್ಸಲಾಂ ವಲೈಕುಮ್ ಇದು ನಾನು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದದ್ದು ಈ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟು ಓವರಾಲ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ರಾಯಲ್ ಕತರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಓವರಾಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋ ಖುಷಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ
ಸಕ್ಕತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಓವರಾಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟ
ಓವರಾಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲಾನ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರಪ್ಪ ಓಕೆ
ವೆಲ್ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸುಜಿತ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ಮಿಂಟನ್ ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್ ಯು ಪ್ಲೇಡ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಸಖತ್ತು ಇಮ್ರಾನ್
ಏನ್
ಸರ್
ಬಾಕಿ ಇದೆ ಇನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಬಾಕಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಬಡ್ಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದೆ
ಯಾವ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ ಬಾಕಿ
ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಾಕಿ ಇದೆ ಏನು ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಾಕಿ ಇದೆ
Man of the
ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಬಾಕಿ
series.
ಇದೆಯಾ
Oh.
ಯಾರು ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇವರೇ ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವ್ ಯಾಕಿಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಸರಿ ಅವರೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಏನ್ ನಾವು
ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೀರೀಸ್
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಹೇಳೋಣ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೀರೀಸ್ನವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ
ಓಕೆ
ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ MS Sports
ಲವ್ಲಿ
and also a Turbo trophy. Okay, trophy from Turbo, and that goes to none other than. No, sorry,
Mano
this
is
time.
it man of the series.
This time you're wrong. Man of
Ma-
the series goes to Nanda.
Wow!
Yes,
let's
it goes
welcome.
to Ananda Anil Kumar, the man of the series for Rajata Cup 2025.
Anand, you need to order a very big truck today to take over all the trophies.
Absolutely, he's getting a bat from MS Sports, a trophy.
ಇದು ಖುಷಿ ಸಂತೋಷ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಂಭ್ರಮಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಜತ ಕಪ್ 2025ರ ಸಂಭ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಭ್ರಮಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಶ್ರೀಧರ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಡಿ, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಗಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರು ಹಾ ಕುಳ್ಳ Very good. That's Anand, ladies and gentlemen, the man of the series.
Thank you,
Please,
Anand.
please, Anand, now you have to come and speak more. Huh? You have to, please.
ಆನಂದ್ ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋ ವಿನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೋಫೀಸ್ ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳೆದೋಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಂತ.
So, trophy.
ಆನಂದ್ ಅವರೇ.
Yes, I can.
Yeah.
അപ്പോൾ ഇപ്പോൾ ബാറ്റ് കിട്ടി, പിന്നെ ഒരു ട്രോഫി ഉണ്ട് കയ്യിൽ. അപ്പോൾ എങ്ങനെ നിങ്ങളുടെ ഒരു എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് എങ്ങനെയുണ്ടെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ മതി.
നല്ല ടൂർണമെന്റ് ആയിരുന്നു. ഗുഡ് സപ്പോർട്ട് ഫോർ ഗൈസ്.
Thank you, Anand. We really would like to say, Anand sir, ni hero ana.
അല്ലല്ല ഹീറോ പറയുമ്പോ ആനന്ദ് ചിരിച്ചു കേട്ടോ.
You translate me later, okay? I really did
said
not understand.
when you said hero, he smiled, he blushed.
Wow.
Okay, now it's time for the trophies, Ravi Anna. Shall we? Dr. Sanjay sir, with your permission. Yes.
I request all the guests, please do join.
ISC advisor Subramanya Hebbagilu sir, Pradeep Kumar sir, Prasad sir and Ramesh sir. I really would like to take an opportunity to thank a special thanks to Ramesh sir and Pradeep Kumar sir who started the Karnataka Royals in Bahrain. And also I request Mr. Nikhil, please join us on stage. 4 days of continuous cricket matches, 4 months of work, nightless work. So we request the runner-up team to join us first. The runner-up team, Hanan Sisi. The team players to please line up. And towards the last one to get the medal should be the captain himself. So we'll start with the player list.
I request Hanan Sisi team, please join.
Hanan Sisi.
All the team members, all the players, I request to please join and receive a medal from all our dignitaries.
So we request the Hanan Sisi team to come. To start with Shakil. Please come. Shakil, Nayaz, Abdul Wahid, Alan Sequeira. Bartairi. Let me repeat. Hanan Sisi. That is Shakil, Nayaz, Abdul Wahid, Alan, Abdul Rahim, Shahrukh, Zamir, Mohammad Paris, Mohammad Razik, Mohammad Adil, Saif, Tony Archer, Imran, and leading from France, it is none other than the captain himself, Parvez Paju. We request the owners also to join the. And congratulations to the team for being the runner-up. But then you really won our hearts. A team. Yes, the captain, Parvez Paju. And the owner. They all played well. They set an example today. A fantastic game. Camera, sir. Yes. Yes, again.
So runner-ups for the day. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Let's cheer them. Hanan CC team has won the Runner Cup.
Yes, absolutely. Runners-up cup to Hanan Sisi. And we need to even definitely thank the owner of Hanan Sisi. So thank you so much. And they get the check somewhere. Yes, it's hiding there, but then, okay.
And also will be awarded with them. They'll be getting
And that's
the cup.
Bahubali trophy to them. Yes, it's a trophy. Hand it over to Parvez Pajo, the captain of Hanan Sisi, the cricket club.
A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Hanan Sisi has bagged the runner-up cup for the year 2025.
Yes. Fantastic, fantastic. That's a great thing. Yeah, the winning moment. You can see there the runners up. Hanan Sisi.
Absolutely, and
They've played really good cricket from
they
right.
really give a very tough tie,
Yes.
very tough
We
fight.
request the captain to join us. Parvez, please join us with the trophy. Yes, please join
Parvez,
here.
please join with the trophy.
Yes, yes, yes. Please come, please come. Yes. Tell me which language. I have spoken in Malayalam.
ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡದವರು ಪರ್ವೀಸ್ ಪಜ್ಜೋರು
Parvez
ಏನ್
sir.
ಸರ್ ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಟ್ರೋಫಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಡಿದ್ರಿ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಡ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಟೈ ಕೊಟ್ರಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಗನ್ನಿಸ್ತು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಕಪ್ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿ
ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಸರಿ ಓಕೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡಿದ್ರಿ ವಾಟ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಎಡವಿದ್ರಿ
ನಮ್ಮದು ಓಪನರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಡಿದಿರು ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಮ್ರಾನ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಸೊ ಇಮ್ರಾನ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ವೈಡ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 14 ವೈಡ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಇವನ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವೈಡ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ ನೀವು ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅನಿಸ್ತೀರಿ
ವೈಡ್ದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಹೇಗಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸಫಲ ಆದರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಆದರೆ ಸಫಲ ಆದರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೋದು ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ಮನ್ ಬಂದು ನಿಲ್ಲುವುದೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ಮನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೋದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್
ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿಕಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಐ ವುಡ್ ಸೇ
ನೋಡಿ ಅವರು ಟೀಮ್
ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್
ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮಾ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಹೌದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ
ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ
That's a leader. That's a leader. Leader shows the way all the time. Very good, sir. Congratulations. Another?
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಪರ್ವೀಸ್ ಪಜ್ಜು ಹಿಪ್ ಹಿಪ್ ಹುರೇ ಟು ಹಿಸ್ ಟೀಮ್
Wala, 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 bahubali. Okay.
And now it's time to celebrate Karnataka Rajata Cup 2025.
Winners. Who are those? Let us tell together. In the count of 3, 2, 1. It's Royals Qatar.
So I request all the players please to join us. Ahmad Kabir, Shafi, Shakir, Tanveer, Hussein, Mohammad Jamal, Anand, Abdul Wahid, Dawood, Mohammad Asfan, Abdul Asand, Syed Tausif, Ajmal, Sheikh Mahiuddin, and man of the very, very responsible and was taken the Royal Qatars. It's none other than the captain, Abdul Aziz. Girls and boys, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise. Karnataka Rajata Cup won by Royal Qatar.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಎಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಬೊಬ್ಬಾಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಬೊಬ್ಬಾಕ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಎಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಸೊ ಡು ಆಹಾ
ಓ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಸಖತ್ ಜೋರಾಗಿದೆ.
ಡು ಮೇ ಬಿ ರೋಹಿತ್ ಶರ್ಮಾ ತರ ಅವರು ಏನೋ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ maybe we
ಏನಾದ್ರು
can see
ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ
that.
ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಯಾರದು ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ಅಜೀಜ್ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ ಹಂಗೆ ಟ್ರೋಫಿನ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಂಗೆ ಟೀಮ್ ಹತ್ರ
ಸೊ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ಅಜೀಜ್ ಮತ್ತು ತಂಡದವರು ರಾಯಲ್ ಕತಾರ್ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಜತ ಕಪ್ 2025ರ ಕಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಮ್ಮದಾಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Once again, congratulations, you guys nailed it.
We request the entire MC team to join all the MC team members. KSQ and KRMC members, please join.
A champions of Karnataka Rajata Cup 2025. It's time to witness the most waited moment, ladies and gentlemen.
Royals!
So I want you to say hip hip hooray. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, hip hip. It's little louder. Hip hip. Hip hip. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೂತಿದ್ದೀರಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಮುಂದೆ
ಮೇಡಮ್
ಇರೋರೆಲ್ಲ?
ಅದು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಸೈಡ್ ಒಂದು ಬೇರೆ ತರ ಇದೆ ಬಲ 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 ದುಮ್ ಪಲಕ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ
ಎಲ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು.
ಬಲ 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 ದುಮ್ ಪಲಕ ಬಲ 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 ದುಮ್ ಪಲಕ ಬಲ 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 ದುಂಪಲಕ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ
ಅಮೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಲವ್ಲಿ. ಇದಲ್ವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಯಲ್ ಕತಾರ್ ತಂಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಕಪ್ ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ರಾಯಲ್ ಕತಾರ್. ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ದ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ in the field of our Karnataka and the Qatar land. Beautifully played once again. Hip hip hooray and congratulations Royal Qatar.
Absolutely fantastic. As the captain Imran lifts it over. Imran, please make your way here. I know you have to go with your team. Imran, Abdul, please come here.
Abdul Aziz.
ಬಾರಿ ಮಕ್ಕರ್ ಬಂದೈತೆ ಪೂರಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಪ್ಪೋಡಂತೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡದವರು ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ಅಜೀಜ್ ಅವರು. ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ಅಜೀಜ್ ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳಿ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿನ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನಿಮ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಾ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಕ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ?
ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ ತಂಡದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಟಗಾರರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸಂಘ ಕತಾರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಯಲ್ಸ್ ಜಂಟಿ ಆಶ್ರಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಂಥ ಈ ಪಂದ್ಯಕೂಟಕ್ಕೆ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭದುದ್ದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೊನೆಯವರೆಗೂ ಪಂದ್ಯಕೂಟ ಸುಸಜ್ಜಿತವಾಗಿ ನಡೆದಿದೆ. ಕಂಗ್ರಾಟ್ಸ್ ಈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸಂಘ ಕತಾರಿಗೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ರನ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಹನಾನ್ ಕತಾರ್ ತಂಡಕ್ಕೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾವು ಫೈನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹನಾನ್ ಕತಾರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಮಿಫೈನಲ್ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಸೋತಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಫೈನಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಸಲ ನಾವು ಹನಾನ್ ಕತಾರ್ ಎದುರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇದೊಂದು ಟಫ್ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿ ತಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಕಾಂಗ್ರಾಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಆನಂದ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಜ್ಜು ಹೊರಗಿನಿಂದ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ತಂಡ ಹೋಮ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಡಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ 2 ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ರಾಯಲ್ ಕತಾರ್ ತಂಡದ ಅಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳು ಪಂದ್ಯದ ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕೂ ರೋಚಕ ಪಂದ್ಯಗಳಿತ್ತು, ನಮ್ಮೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇದ್ದು ಸಹಕರಿಸಿದಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಯಲ್ ಕತಾರ್ ತಂಡದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸಂಘ ಕತಾರ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಸರ್.
ಹಾಗೂ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಯಲ್ಸ್ ತಂಡಕ್ಕೂ ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಜೈ ರಾಯಲ್ ಕತಾರ್,
ಜೈ ರಾಯಲ್ ಕತಾರ್. Very good.
Thank you very much.
So we should not stop him. Actually, there is a lot of celebration that is to happen now with the team, and that is very important because, as he says, they have seen defeat in the last few matches against Hanan, thrice in the finals of different tournaments and once in semi-final. But today, they had an intuition that they have to win against Hanan, and they have made it.
Absolutely, as people say, the defeat is the stepping stone for success, and they proved it once again. Congratulations, Royal Qatar, champions of Karnataka Rajata Cup 2025. With this, I would like to show my gratitude to all our committee members.
Yeah, but they are taking photo without us. That is not right, you know. Volunteers. Yeah, we have to join.
Chidaran sir, please join.
Okay.
ಈಗ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಕಡೆ.
ಅನುವರೆ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ಕೈಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬನ್ನಿ. Okay, all set. Say cheese. It's time to smile with a lot of effort. Karnataka Rajata Cup organizing committee, very well done. A big round of applause. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip. Yes, see you next year, Karnataka Rajata Cup team.
So here we come. Yes, fantastic scenes everywhere. And that we commentators. That's all we had from Karnataka Rajata Cup. As I said, we had a celebrity MC and the commentator, Savi, right away from Mysore, Doordarshan. And also we had in Hindi commentary, we had Salam. And in the English and Kannada commentary, we had Chidananda Rai. Also Rajesh in Kannada in his absence. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's we comes to end, and we should
And
always
with
hear
this, Sujit
from her.
really made it very, very successful. So, ladies and gentlemen, with this, we are concluding Karnataka Rajata Cup 2025 successfully. Love you all. Thanks for your support. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೇಳೋಣ ಸಿರಿಗನ್ನಡಂ
Gelge,
ಸಿರಿಗನ್ನಡಂ.
Gelge.
ಇಂದಿನ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದಂತಹ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಜತ ಕಪ್ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವವನ್ನ ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ನೋಡಿದಿರಿ. ಇದೊಂದು ಇತಿಹಾಸವೇ ಸರಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕತಾರ್ ನೆಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಅನಿವಾಸಿ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಜತ ಕಪ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಪ್ರೇಮಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಸಾಬೀತುಪಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್. ಸವಿ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್, ಸುಜಿತ್, ಚಿದಾನಂದ್ and Salam. Love you all.
ಗುಡ್
Thank
ನೈಟ್,
you.
ಶುಭರಾತ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ.